Imagine this, a completely free AI that can turn your ideas into stunning artistic images with just a few simple words. Whether it's realistic styles, anime, line art, or even Pixar-style animation, this tool makes it all possible. Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? Every image you see in this video was created using PicLumen. Even if you're a beginner, join me in this tutorial as I guide you step by step on how to use the free PicLumen AI image generator and its incredible text-to-image feature. Awaken your inner artist and bring your imagination to life.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
We'll visit the PicLumen AI website. As of the publication date of this tutorial, all features of this website are completely free and without any limitations. To get started and create a user account, I click on the Launch App button located at the top right corner of the website. On the next page, you can log in either with a personal email or through an Apple or Google account. I click on the Google button. On the following page, I select one of the open Google accounts to log in. Once logged in, you are directly taken to the Explore page. This page essentially serves as a user gallery, showcasing images generated with the PicLumen art generator. At the top of the images, you'll find tabs that categorize the images, allowing you to browse them more conveniently. For example, I click on the photography category. Clicking on any of the images opens a new page where you can view them in larger size and browse them. On this page, you can even see the prompt used to generate the image. By clicking on the Remix button, all elements such as the prompt, negative prompt, dimensions, style, and the image generation model are loaded into a new generation process. This allows you to create a completely new image with slight differences while maintaining the structure and roots of the original image. Further down the page, you'll find details such as the negative prompt, image dimensions, and the model used for generation. The interface of the PicLumen AI image generation website is available in several official languages. To change the language, click on the drop-down menu at the bottom left corner of the page and select a language such as Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, French, and more. By clicking on the dark drop-down menu, you can switch the interface theme between light and dark modes based on your preference. I select the light theme and continue using the interface. Further down, you'll see your username. Clicking on the three-dot icon next to your username opens a drop-down menu related to your profile and activities on the website. To turn our text-based ideas into images using PicLumen AI, I click on the Create option in the left menu. On this page, you'll also see a gallery of images you've previously created. At the top of the Create page, there are drop-down menus for setting up image generation. Here, I hover the mouse over the cube icon. A list appears, showing all the models currently available in PicLumen AI. Below that, there's a text box for entering prompts. A prompt is essentially your idea typed out as text, which the AI then converts into an image. You should describe your ideas in detail. The more complete your description, the better PicLumen AI can understand your needs, leading to improved image generation that closely matches your idea and prompt. We'll test different AI image generation models in PicLumen to understand the capabilities of each. For the first test, let's generate an image of a famous person and challenge PicLumen. I've already written a prompt, and now I paste it into the text box using right-click. This prompt is about generating an image of Lionel Messi looking excited and happy. At the top of the prompt box, there's a drop-down menu showing 5 models available for image generation as of this date. For the first example, I select PicLumen Realistic V2. Next to it, there's a drop-down menu for setting the aspect ratio, where you can choose whether your image should be square, vertical, or horizontal. This helps you align the image dimensions with social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or video platforms like YouTube. Since I create content for YouTube, I naturally select the 16:9 aspect ratio. In the next section, you can choose the number of images to generate in one go, ranging from 1 to 4. At the bottom right of the prompt box, there's an icon called Auto Translate, which allows you to write your prompt in your native language. PicLumen will automatically translate it into English. Next to the Auto Translate icon, there's another icon called Prompt Enhance, which improves image quality by expanding your prompt, though it may reduce accuracy. After setting everything up, I click on the Generate button. My request is queued, and after a few seconds, the images are ready. 4 thumbnails are displayed. To view larger versions of the images, I click on one of the thumbnails. From the right panel, I can click through the thumbnails to access and browse all the generated images. The images generated perfectly match my idea of an excited Lionel Messi. The text-to-image feature in the PicLumen art generator with the realistic V2 model performed spectacularly, creating stunning images in a very short time. Hovering over the download option reveals two formats, JPG and PNG, allowing you to save the images to your device for free. Let's conduct another test with PicLumen AI for generating an image of a famous person. I input a second prompt into the text box. This time, I asked the AI to generate an image of Elon Musk smiling and happy in a cozy cafe. With the same settings as the previous step, I click Generate. My request is queued, and after a few seconds, 4 thumbnails are displayed. As you can see, PicLumen AI performs well here too. The generated image of Elon Musk is highly realistic, and it accurately reflects my prompt with a smile on his face. I click on the settings icon located at the bottom right under the search box. In the negative prompt section, you can specify what elements you don't want in the generated image. The steps option allows you to determine the number of steps used to create the image. More steps can result in more detailed images. So far, we've generated realistic images. Let's see if PicLumen's realistic V2 model can also generate cartoon or 3D animation style images. For this, I input a new prompt into the text box, adding the keywords 3D Pixar animation style. My idea is to generate an image of Dwayne Johnson looking excited. With the same settings as before, I click Generate. After a few seconds, 4 thumbnails are displayed. Clicking on one of them, we can browse the images. In this case, too, PicLumen AI performed well. The image of Dwayne Johnson is both realistic and consistent with my prompt, with the AI generating it in a cartoon and animation style. For the next test, let's generate an image of a fictional character using the realistic V2 model. I enter a prompt in the text box, asking PicLumen to generate an image of a Joker sitting in a cafe with chips and coffee. With the same settings as before, I click Generate. My request is queued, and within a short time, the Joker images are ready. As you can see, PicLumen AI performs impressively in this case as well, creating stunning images of the Joker. PicLumen's art generator offers a variety of models, including the Anime V2 model, to generate images. This time, I want to explore PicLumen's ability to create images in the anime style. For this purpose, I have prepared a prompt in advance and pasted it into the text box. I open the drop-down list to select a model and choose the new PicLumen Anime V2. Then I click on the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and after a short wait, the anime-style images of Taylor Swift are ready. Let's review the images. As you can see, PicLumen's AI has performed well in generating images in this case too. The style of the images is anime, and I am absolutely amazed by the results. PicLumen AI also has the capability to generate images in the line art style. This style involves simple line designs without shading, often used to create minimalistic and elegant images. In this example, we generate an image of a Lamborghini in the mountains in the line art style. I've prepared a prompt in advance and pasted it into the text box. I open the drop-down list to select a model and choose the new PicLumen Line Art V2. Then I click on the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and after a few seconds, thumbnails of 4 images are displayed. Let's review the images. As you can see, PicLumen's AI has performed well in generating images in this case too. The line art style is truly unique and distinctive, and I am thoroughly impressed. The real excitement begins now. Flux is one of the latest and most astonishing technologies in the world of AI-generated images. This masterpiece has been developed and presented by the Black Forest Labs team. Flux comes in various versions, such as Pro, Dev, and Schnell, each with outstanding capabilities for creating images. The exciting part is that you can access the free version of Flux Schnell through PicLumen's art generator. Flux Schnell is a version of Flux designed for developers. Let's generate an image using the Flux Schnell model and PicLumen AI. For this purpose, I've prepared a prompt in advance and pasted it into the text box by right-clicking. From the drop-down list, I select the Flux Schnell model. Using the same previous settings, 16:9 aspect ratio and 4 images as output, I click on the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and after a short wait, the text-to-image process is completed by the Flux Schnell model, and the thumbnails are displayed. Let's review the images. As you can see, the generated images are absolutely stunning. At this stage, I want to generate images in the 3D animation or 3D cartoon style, also known as the Pixar style, using the Flux model. For this purpose, I've prepared a prompt in advance and pasted it into the text box by right-clicking. This prompt describes a depiction of Dwayne Johnson looking excited, happy, and smiling. As you can see in the prompt text, to generate images in the Pixar style, you need to include keywords such as 3D cartoon or 3D animation in your prompt. This way, the AI understands your intended style. Using the same previous settings, I click on the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and after a very short time, 4 thumbnails are displayed. The images are in 3D style. Let's review them. I am extremely satisfied with these images in the animation style, and proceed to download them. There are so many other things you can do with this AI, and you can look forward to seeing them in future tutorials. To wrap things up, now I'd like to create an abstract and entirely dreamlike image using the Flux Schnell model. For this purpose, I've prepared a prompt in advance and pasted it into the text box by right-clicking. Using the same settings, I click on the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and after a short wait, the text-to-image process is completed by the Flux Schnell model, and the thumbnails are displayed. Let's review the images. As you can see, the generated images are absolutely beautiful. And one last note, when you hover your mouse over the image thumbnails, you'll see a trash icon on the bottom left corner to delete the images and a download icon on the bottom right corner to save them. A quick question, did you learn something new from this tutorial? If yes, it's time to smash the like button and share this video with your friends. This is just the beginning. An endless world of exciting tutorials awaits you on this channel. If you'd like to make your learning journey even more thrilling, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell to never miss a tutorial. Remember, AI is the future, and it's time to embrace it. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. It's going to be epic.